Hi, I'm Carla Murtaugh, and welcome to Mallard Pond. This magnificent 9,500 square foot home was custom built in 2005 and has 5 bedrooms, 5 full and 2 half baths, and a separate, beautifully appointed 1-bedroom apartment on the garden level. Venetian plaster walls, architectural ceilings, and exquisite moldings flow through the home, lending a sophisticated elegance to the space. Featuring a fabulous layout for entertaining without feeling stuffy or overdone, the open concept spaces such as the kitchen and breakfast room reflect the 10-foot ceilings throughout the main floor. The show-stopping great room has a cathedral ceiling and is surrounded by windows on all sides, offering incredible views of the equestrian properties in the area. Special attention was paid to the cabinetry and finishes in this room, which is centered around the massive wood-burning fireplace. In addition, a unique interior Juliet balcony overlooks it from the media room and bar above. A distinguished mahogany library is reminiscent of the smoking rooms of yesterday, with a fireplace and an impressive coffered ceiling. The master wing of the home includes a marble bathroom with a Grecian-style soaking tub with direct access to a handsome, custom-designed dressing room, while the bedroom includes a gas fireplace and a relaxing sitting area. Set on 5.7 bucolic acres, the property includes a heated saltwater pool and spa, 5 garage bays, separate pavilion, and an aerated stream-fed pond. Only an hour from Manhattan, Ridgefield, Connecticut is known for its exceptional schools, cultural offerings, and vibrant downtown. For more information about Mallard Pond, visit our website at carlamurtaugh.com.